Hi everyone, Amy here from the Crowd Converters, and today we're going to talk about how you can grow your brand on Instagram. So first of all, let's talk about your personal Instagram account and your business Instagram account. Do you find that your personal Instagram talks about your dog, your nights out, your life in general? It's really fun talking about the real you and who you actually are. Then, is your business account really a bit corporate? Is it just talking about run-of-the-mill stuff that you do on a daily basis? Does it talk about the services you offer? Therefore, are you finding that your business account actually isn't creating much engagement and therefore isn't growing very much? Well, the solution is to actually combine the two. This is how you can really grow a great brand on Instagram. Because at the end of the day, your business and you should be one and the same thing. I really recommend that you merge the two accounts, and the reason why I say this is that you really love your business. You're so proud of it. So why aren't you bringing your personality and the fact that you're so proud of it through to business Instagram account? Your customers are going to absolutely love the fact that you're passionate about it, and that is going to make them build trust in you and therefore your business. Let's face it, it's so much work to build your Instagram account, so why would you bother doing two? By merging the two together, you are creating a personal brand, and people are going to really build up hope and trust in you as a person and your brand naturally. For example, if you are a beauty therapist and your passion is beauty, that's why you've gone into this industry, why wouldn't you pull that through to your Instagram account? So if you have recently set up your Instagram account for your business, or if you feel that the business account that you've created so far isn't doing what you want it to do, and therefore you need to give it a bit of a makeover, the best thing to think about is to almost look at it like you're going to look at it from scratch. Give your profile a complete makeover. So first things first, look at your username. Don't use any complicated emojis or symbols or anything like that. Keep it super simple with your brand name. The next thing is your name field. So don't just duplicate the same thing that you've got as your user handle. Make sure that it's describing what your business does. This bit is actually searchable, and this is my favourite part about this bit. So make sure that it's describing what you do so people can find you really easily. If you want to optimize your profile, this is where you can be really clever. Use targeted keywords and think about what your Instagram followers are going to search for, and make sure that that is included in your name. Your bio. So this is super hard, and I totally understand that, but this is one of the things where you need to actually change it often. See which works, see which is going to grow your followers quickly, and this is where you can tweak and change it, update it, so that it keeps your followers that you've already got, but also new followers interested in exactly what you're doing. Don't let it sit and go stale. The first line of your bio should be about your customers and how you can help them. Really engage them straight away and get them to know how you're going to help them. The last line in your bio is your call to action. So make sure you're giving your customers a clear call to action as to why they should follow you. There is only one link, so if you've got a new course, a new product, a new service, whatever it is that you're doing, make sure that that link has the latest promotions that you've got as well as your website. We recommend Linktree to use this, so that what that means is you use the Linktree link, and then on that link you can then have lots of different links, but make sure that that is super easy to follow and your customers know where they want to go. Drive them to where you want to add value to them, and make sure that in your bio, that if you are promoting something, that it's included in there so they know exactly what to do. You only have 150 characters to use on your bio, so you are going to have to make this work hard for you. So the key takeaways are: choose one account and make it a personal business brand. Number 2, edit your username and make sure that it's consistent across all your channels. Number 3, drop targeted keywords into your name. Number 4, use a specific call to action to get people to click on your bio link. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel just by hitting the button on the top right hand corner, and be sure to follow us on social media. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. all at the Crowd Converters.